Good morning. Welcome to Story Time. I'm Miss Marie, and we are here at the library. It looks like it might start raining in just a little while, so if you haven't gotten outside, you might want to do that now, or you can wait until after the rain goes by. Be sure and watch for rainbows. I saw a really pretty one last night. Oh, boys and girls, it's July, it's hot, and it's Mississippi. So we're just going to be glad that we're here and that the weather's not as bad as it could be. All right, so let's start with a couple of songs. Oh my goodness, there's just so many. I've got one that has a book. And because we've been doing SLP and it's animals, this will be a good one for us to use. Speaking of SLP, boys and girls, this is the last week. I have some craft bags for some of you that have not come and gotten them, and that's okay. We'll keep them. But I hope you've been having fun. This week is birds, and we have flamingo and peacock and a bald eagle that you make with your handprint. We've had a lot of fun doing this. I look forward to seeing more pictures of you and your crafts because some of you have been posting. Remember to call us, come see us. We're here Monday through Saturday. We're all together again. We're here, we're here. We're all together again. We're here, we're here. Who knows when we'll be all together again, singing all together again. We're here, we're here. Oh, this song, this is such a good one. This is Down by the Station. Now, this is a book about a song that I'll bet a lot of you know. Down by the station early in the morning, see the little puffer bellies all in a row. A puffer belly is a train. See the engine driver pull the little handle. Tug, tug, toot, toot, off we go. Puff, puff, toot, toot, off we go. Well, in this book, which has been written by Will Hillenbrand, and it is I was going to say Boston, Harcourt Brace publication. Harcourt Brace is one of our many, many publishers. All right, I want you to take a look now, boys and girls, at the train, okay? And it's pouring out black smoke, probably because they used wood or coal to make it run. So it's burning a fire. It's not an electric train, okay? And he's got watches. He's got to keep an eye on the time because trains have to run on time, don't you know? Look here, boys and girls, there's a wagon and a chair. I wonder what's going to go in that chair. There's the station. It says Zebra Station. Zebra Station. Gee, I wonder if they're maybe Australia, Africa. I wonder where this is. And here is somebody with a book in her arm, and she's pulling a little train behind her. Can you see that, boys and girls? I wonder what's going on here. Down by the station, early in the morning, see the little puffer bellies all in a row. And here's one here. Can you see it down here? And then here's this one up here. There's the ticket master, and I see a little bird. See the engine driver pull the little lever. Puff, puff, toot, toot, off we go. Boys and girls, she's sitting in the chair reading her book. Can you see that? And the monkey is holding on. There we go, down the road. Down by the elephants early in the morning, see the little calf waiting to go. Look at that. There's a stop sign. See the engine driver pull his little lever. Puff, puff, toot, toot, off we go. Elephants make that kind of noise. It's called trumpeting. Trumpeting. Okay, Now, I see some things. Do you see some things? I see some birds, and I see a parrot. That's one of the birds that we have in our craft kit. Down by the flamingos early in the morning, see the little chick waiting to go. How about that? And did you know that flamingos are pink because they eat algae and shrimp brine that's got carotene in it? And keratin is in carrots, and that's what makes them pink. See the engine driver pull his little lever. Oh my goodness. Puff, puff, toot, toot, peep, peep, off we go. So they're going up the hill, and there's you saw the elephant get in the water. I showed you that. And when he sprayed it out, now she's got her umbrella up. You see that, boys and girls? Oh, how silly, silly. I see the word panda. Down by the pandas early in the morning, see the little bear cub waiting to go. It must still be kind of dark outside because this panda's got a lantern. See the engine driver pull his little lever. Puff, puff, toot, toot, thrump, thrump, peep, peep, grump, grump. Off we go. Wonder where they're going. Can you see, boys and girls? Here's the elephant, the baby panda, and the flamingo. How about that? Oh my goodness. Down by the children's zoo early in the morning, see the baby animals exit in a row, and they're getting off of the train. Look, the panda put his blanket over his head. You see that? And they're going into the children's zoo, which says it's closed. I guess it's getting ready to open. See the engine driver pull his little lever. Puff, puff, toot, toot. Look. Off we go. And all of a sudden, there's children coming into the zoo. There's the monkey saying, "Come on, let's go." Look, right there. How about that? And so the children are playing with the kangaroo, the elephant. There's the flamingo. The panda bear just wasn't awake yet, and neither is that little boy sitting up in the treehouse. How about that? Isn't that a cute book? Something different, just something different. Well, boys and girls, we are going to do a couple more videos for you, so you be watching for them. They're on YouTube. You got to go to the playlist on YouTube. And then we're going to take a little vacation here in the library, and we have some guest readers. We have Mr. Steve, who is going to tell you a story, and he's got all kinds of great books, and those will be posted between now and, I don't know, maybe the 1st of August. But be watching for them because we'll still have things coming to you, books being read to you here at the library. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.